Are you ready to uncover the next big thing in crypto? Stay tuned as we reveal how to get your hands on Hamster Coin, predict its value, and avoid the pitfalls that could cost you everything. Don't miss out on this chance to maximize your crypto gains and stay ahead of the game. We'll explore its potential cost, how to acquire it, and crucially, how to avoid getting flagged as a bot and losing your hard-earned tokens. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of Hamster Coin's value projections and the steps you need to take to maximize your investment. To start, let's address the burning question. How much will one Hamster Coin cost? This is the key to understanding the potential returns on your investment. We've delved deep into the data, examined market trends, and analyzed forecasts from industry experts to bring you a comprehensive estimate. By looking at similar projects, understanding the current demand, and factoring in the unique aspects of Hamster Coin, we've calculated a price range that you can expect. This estimate isn't just a guess, it's based on solid research and market analysis, giving you a reliable foundation for your investment strategy. So, let's break it down and see what the future holds for Hamster Coin. Several signs suggest that Hamster Coin's listing is just around the corner. Official announcements. On June 11th, Hamster Coin's official channel released a special hamster sticker on Telegram. This wasn't just any sticker, it quickly spread across major channels, signaling something big on the horizon. Such widespread dissemination usually points to imminent and significant developments within the project's timeline. Pre-market trading on Cocoin exchange. Another strong indicator is the initiation of pre-market trading of hamster tokens on the Cocoin exchange. You might be wondering how trading can occur if the tokens haven't been officially distributed yet. In pre-market trading, participants essentially place bets on the token's future value using USDT as collateral. This means they are speculating on the token's price and providing a guarantee in USDT. If they fail to deliver the tokens later, their USDT is forfeited. This method of trading shows a high level of confidence in the token's future value but also carries significant risks. We advise caution, as this form of trading can be highly volatile and requires a solid understanding of market dynamics. Pre-market trading on Bybit and Gate.io. In addition to Cocoin, pre-market trading of hamster tokens has also begun on other major exchanges like Bybit and Gate.io. This widespread pre-market activity further underscores the strong interest and confidence in Hamster Coin's potential. The presence of pre-market trading on multiple exchanges indicates robust market anticipation and suggests that the official listing could be imminent. These signs collectively point towards a highly anticipated listing, indicating that now is a crucial time to stay informed and prepared. A public presentation from April revealed that Hamster had already garnered a significant user base of 1 million users. Initially, the tokenomics raised some concerns within the community, primarily because only a small allocation was designated for airdrops. This limited allocation caused some panic, as airdrops are a popular method for distributing tokens to a broad audience and incentivizing engagement. However, it's important to highlight that nearly 80% of the tokens were actually reserved for community payments, which includes airdrops. This substantial allocation demonstrates the project's strong commitment to rewarding its community and ensuring broad participation in its ecosystem. Recognizing the rapid growth in popularity and the community's reaction to the initial tokenomics, the project team swiftly revised their strategy. This quick adjustment not only calmed the community but also underscored the team's dedication to being responsive and adaptive to their users' needs. The revised tokenomics are designed to better align with the community's expectations and the project's long-term goals. By reallocating token distribution to favor the community more heavily, the Hamster Coin team has shown that they are keenly aware of the importance of maintaining a supportive and engaged user base. This approach is likely to foster greater trust and enthusiasm among current and potential investors, further driving the project's success. Let's draw a comparison with Coin to better understand Hamster Coin's potential. Initial offering of Coin. 1. Token supply. Coin launched with an enormous supply of 100 billion tokens. 2. Market capitalization. At the time of its release, Coin had an average market capitalization of $700 million. 3. Initial token price. Each Coin started at a modest price of $0.0007. 4. Price peak. Despite its humble beginnings, Coin's price later surged to nearly 3 cents, demonstrating significant growth potential. Hamster Coin's potential. 1. Popularity and demand. Hamster Coin's current popularity far exceeds that of Coin during its initial stages. The buzz and anticipation surrounding Hamster Coin are much higher. 2. Token supply. Unlike Coin, Hamster Coin has a significantly lower total supply of just 10 billion coins. This lower supply, combined with high demand, is a crucial factor that could drive up its price. 3. Estimated initial price. Given these dynamics, we anticipate that Hamster Coin could start at a much higher price. Our conservative estimate places the initial price around 30 cents per token. This is based on the current interest levels, market trends, and comparative analysis with Coin's historical performance. Earning potential. 1. Active participation. For active participants, this higher initial price translates into substantial earning potential. If the token achieves the projected price, active users could potentially earn up to $1,500 per account. However, this figure is subject to several factors, including market conditions, user engagement, and overall demand. 2. Market dynamics. It's important to remember that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. The actual earnings will depend on various market dynamics, including trading volume, investor sentiment, and broader economic factors. By comparing Hamster Coin with Coin, we can see that Hamster Coin's unique position, combined with its strategic tokenomics and growing user base, sets the stage for potentially significant returns for its investors. This comparative analysis provides a clearer picture of what to expect and how to strategize your investment in Hamster Coin. Hamster Coin's developers are keen on retaining players by introducing engaging game mechanics. To keep the community actively involved, they've designed the system to be not only rewarding but also fun and interactive. This approach ensures that users are consistently engaged, which is crucial for the token's long-term success and stability. Introducing Phase 2, the developers have announced a second phase of the project, signaling that there will be continuous opportunities to earn within the Hamster Coin ecosystem. This phase is expected to bring new features, challenges, and earning mechanisms that will keep the gameplay fresh and exciting. By rolling out new phases, the team ensures that there is always something new to look forward to, keeping the community invested and active. Staged airdrop distributions. Instead of providing a one-time lump sum airdrop, Hamster Coin will likely distribute tokens in stages. This method of distribution is designed to encourage sustained participation and engagement over time. Here's how it works. Regular rewards. Users will receive periodic token distributions based on their ongoing activity and participation in the ecosystem. This means that instead of getting all their tokens at once, they will earn them gradually, maintaining their interest and involvement in the project. Activity-based earnings. To maximize your earnings, you'll need to stay active within the Hamster Coin system. This could involve participating in various game mechanics, completing challenges, and contributing to the community. The more you engage, the more you can earn. Retention of players. This staged approach is particularly effective at retaining players. Since users have to keep coming back to earn their tokens, it fosters a dedicated and loyal community. It also discourages short-term speculation and promotes long-term investment in the project. Incremental value increase. As more phases are rolled out and the project gains more traction, the value of Hamster Coin is likely to increase. Early and consistent participation can therefore lead to greater rewards as the token appreciates over time. In summary, Hamster Coin's strategy to retain players through engaging game mechanics and staged airdrop distributions is designed to create a dynamic and loyal community. By actively participating in the ecosystem, users can maximize their earnings and benefit from the token's long-term growth. This approach not only incentivizes ongoing involvement but also helps stabilize and increase the token's value, benefiting both the developers and the community. Hamster Coin presents a promising investment opportunity, but success requires active participation and strategic planning. By following our guidelines, you can navigate the challenges and maximize your gains. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Hit the bell icon to stay notified of our latest updates. Until next time, keep investing wisely.